The evolution of RPA from rule-based to cognitive automation. Initially, RPA systems were rule-based. They were programmed to follow a set of predefined rules to execute tasks. This approach saved money and improved efficiency. But, it could not adapt to change or handle complex tasks needing decision-making. Rule-based automation involves creating a set of if-then rules. These rules guide the behavior of bots. These rules limit how tasks can be done. Cognitive automation is more advanced than traditional RPA. It uses AI and machine learning to handle complex tasks. It enables systems to understand, learn from, and decide using unstructured data. It automates tasks at a level that mimics human thinking. This advancement lets businesses automate complex workflows, not just repetitive tasks. Those workflows require judgment and adaptation. Machine learning in RPA. Machine learning algorithms are vital for cognitive automation. They let RPA systems learn from data, find patterns, and make predictions. Machine learning in RPA is changing how automation systems learn. They now adapt to complex tasks. It does this by using data-driven insights. This integration lets robots improve over time. They will make better decisions and handle exceptions more efficiently. Benefits of RPA. RPA has many benefits. They include cost savings, and better efficiency, accuracy, and compliance. Automating routine tasks helps businesses excel and stay competitive today. RPA implementation for success. Use a strategic approach. They must choose the right tools and monitor performance to ensure maximum ROI. Future of automation. RPA will evolve. Conclusion. In conclusion, RPA has evolved from rule-based to cognitive automation. This has transformed how businesses operate.